Okay. So next, mixed aldol condensation. Okay, mixed aldol condensation. What is the mixed aldol condensation? It is a condensation reaction between aldehyde and ketone. Okay, aldehyde and ketone, between aldehyde and ketone molecules, between aldehyde and ketone. So see this one, CH3C double bond OH plus CH3C double bond O CH3. Okay, one aldehyde, one ketone, and reacts with NaOH heating. Okay, write the products. And here CH3C double bond OH, CH3C double bond O, CH2, CH3. Okay, NaOH heating. How many products are possible? Okay, one aldehyde and one ketone. One aldehyde and one ketone. So in this case, let us finish this reaction. So first of all, CH3C double bond OH. From this one, carbanion is generated. This carbanion attacks on the same molecule. Okay, it is a self-aldol product, and now attacks on the 2-butanone crossed aldol product. Now here the CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3, by reacting with NaOH, that remove the photon. Here there are the two chances again. This is the alpha carbon, this is the alpha carbon. These two alpha carbons are different. With the primary alpha carbon, it is second alpha carbon. This carbon has a 2 hydrogen, this carbon has a 3 alpha hydrogen, so completely different. So that base can remove the hydrogen from either carbon. So here you will get the again 2 carbanions. That means here CH2 minus C double bond O CH2 CH3. So next CH3 double bond O CH minus and CH3. Okay, two different anions are produced, two different nucleophiles are produced. Okay, so now here this one. Now this carbanion attacks on the acetaldehyde. Carbanion attacks on the acetaldehyde, or this carbanion. Sorry. Okay, two different carbanions are produced acting as nucleophile. So each carbanion attacks on either acetaldehyde molecule or on 2-butanone molecule. Okay, again here this one attacks on the different carbanion on acetaldehyde molecule or CH3C double bond O CH2CH. Okay, so it is a CAP cross aldol product. Carbanion from the different molecule attacks on the other molecule. Carbanion and the carbanion generated from the 2-butanone and attacks on the 2-butanone, so it is a self-aldol product. So now here the carbanion generated from the 2-butanone attacks on the acetaldehyde, so it is a cross aldol product. Carbanion from the 2-butanone attacks on the 2-butanone, so it is a self-aldol product. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 products are formed. Okay, that is mixed aldol condensation. Right. Now here for this one, this is the ketone. Okay, that is the ketone, and here pH, this one, double bond. Here NaOH heating. How many products are produced? Okay, how many products are produced in this case? For example, you have cyclohexanone plus this one. How many products are produced? Okay, just write the possible products. It is a mixed aldol condensation. Mixed aldol condensation. Okay, and next one more reaction, that is one more extension of this aldol condensation is very very important for a competitive exam. That is the intramolecular aldol condensation. Okay, intramolecular aldol condensation. Intramolecular aldol condensation. Okay, intramolecular aldol condensation. That means here within the one molecule aldol condensation takes place. That means here as a result of the intramolecular aldol condensation, cyclic products are produced. Okay, cyclic products are produced. So now see this one, double bond O, double bond. Okay, in this case by treating with NaOH, okay, heating also. So here there are two chances, a CH3CO, CH3CO. So both terminals are the same, a CH2, CH2. Here CH3, this alpha carbon has 3 hydrogens, this carbon has 3 hydrogens, so both are same. But here in this case, this one contains 2 hydrogens. It is different. So carbanion is generated either this alpha carbon or this alpha. So double bond O, CH2 minus. Now this carbanion attacks internally. For example, this carbanion attacks on this compound O minus. Okay, that O minus accept the proton from the water. So what is the size of the ring? 1, 2, 3. 3-membered ring. 3-membered ring. 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3. On 3 carbon there is a OH and there is a methyl. Okay, there is a methyl. Second carbon, first carbon. This first carbon contains CO, CH. Okay, just of course it is a 3-membered ring, minor. This is a minor product, 3-membered ring because unstable. Now here this one attacks on the this. What is the size of ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am writing 5-membered ring. Okay, so here I am taking, this is the okay, 4th one and 5th one, 1, 2, 3. What is the size? Numbering ala తీసుకున్నాను. So now here on 4th carbon CO group, on 4th carbon CO. Next here on first carbon there is a OH. It becomes a O minus, but next step lo emaitadi water molecule accept chesi OH. Okay, and 4th carbon contains 1 methyl group also. Now here this one on heating, here removal of the water molecule takes place. So then product is alpha beta unsaturated compound. It is a 5-membered ring, so it is a major. So in intramolecular aldol condensation, the major product is decided by the stability of the product. Okay, by the stability of the product. It is 3-membered ring, it is a 5-membered ring. So here 5-membered ring is more stable, so it is a major product. Okay, that's it. Or suppose aldehyde bond, double bond of this. So in this case, what is the product of this reaction? Okay, what is the product of the reaction? So just here carbanion ikkada generate kaadu. Okay, if carbanion is generated from this carbon, you will get the 3-membered ring. If carbanion is generated from this carbon, you will get the 3-membered ring again. If carbanion is generated from this one, you will get the 5-membered. Okay, so write the product. Same ade vastadi actually. Okay, so then what is the product here? Double bond O, and methyl group undadu ante. Here methyl undi kada, just this one methyl. So methyl is hydrogen kada. So this is the product. Okay, but suppose let's see this one. Yeah, see this one. This one I'm treating with NaOH and heating. So in this case, CH3CO, CH3CO on both sides same. So carbanion generated from this carbon or at this carbon. Okay? Look at the hydrogen remove chesti hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4. If this one attacks on this carbon, 4-member ring vastadi. So 4-member ring unstable kada. Next here, this one attacks on this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6-member ring. So directly I am writing 6-member. I am writing 6-member. Okay. So now the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. So it is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, sixth carbon. Sixth carbon by group ఏమైతుంది OH అవుతుంది కదా. OH and remaining one is methane. Okay. Next here this one second carbon by double bond O. Okay. Now just here heating of this one. So double bond O CH alpha beta unsaturated. Okay. So intramolecular aldol condensation. It's very simple. This carbanion generation. The ring size base చేసి మనం మేజర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ రాస్తాం. ఓకేనా ఇక్కడ 4-member ring 6-member ring పాసిబుల్ అయితేనే 6-member ring is most stable. 3-member ring 5-member ring పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది. 5-member ring is major product. Okay, it is a major product. This reaction. Okay, for suppose. So you know this reaction. Let's see this one. This one I'm treating with O3 and second one zinc and water. Zinc and water. What is the product? Cut the double bond, paste the oxygen. Cut the double bond, paste the oxygen. So double bond O, double bond. And this one on further that means aldol reaction. Diketone, dicarbonyl compound. So base add చేస్తుంది. Base add చేస్తే ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఇది మాలిక్యూల్ సిమెట్రికల్ మాలిక్యూలే కాబట్టి సో ప్రోటాన్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి అని రిమూవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. either this carbon or this carbon or this carbon or this carbon. either ఏ కార్బన్ నుంచి ప్రోటాన్ రిమూవ్ అయినా ఒకటే కార్బన్ అని వస్తుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదో కార్బన్ నుంచి రిమూవ్ చేద్దాం. పైకి రాయండి డబుల్ బాండ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి రిమూవ్. ఓకే, సో ఇంటర్నల్ గా ఈ కార్బన్ దీని అటాక్ చేస్తుంది కదా. సో O minus, that O minus accept the proton from the O minus accept the proton from the H2O becomes a OH. O minus. So this one OH bond formation. Okay. So what is the size of this ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So see 7-member ring and 5-member ring. Okay. Next here loss of water molecule. So ఒక వైపు 7-member ring రాస్తున్నాం, ఒక వైపు 5-member ring రాస్తున్నాం అవునా. సో డబుల్ బాండ్ హియర్, డబుల్ బాండ్. దట్స్ ఇట్. దట్ ఇస్ a major product. Intramolecular aldol condensation. ఓకేనా. జస్ట్ ఏంటి కార్బన్ అటాక్ చేసి మనం CC బాండ్ రాస్తాం, బట్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద రింగ్ అని మనం జాగ్రత్తగా నంబరింగ్ ఇచ్చుకుని చేసుకుంటే ఈజీ. ఓకే, దట్స్ ఇట్. In this case generally you complete this reaction, the same molecule double bond, first one Bayer's reagent, and second one HiO4, third one NaOH heating. Okay, write the product. Okay, next here are some more examples. It is a dicarbonyl compound. Okay, like these are the examples regarding intramolecular aldol condensation. So complete those reactions. Next here another point. Here aldol condensation aldol condensation is also takes place in acidic medium. Takes place in acidic medium. So far we discussed the reactions in basic medium, but this aldol reaction is possible in acidic medium also. Okay. Let us discuss the one example. So this one I'm treating with HCl. Okay. I'm treating with the HCl. Acid medium. So dilute HCl like this. Okay. So in this case, of course, the same aldol product, hydroxy compound, CH2C double bond O, H, and this one further heating, CH3CH double bond CH, C double bond O, H. That is the product. Crotonaldehyde is the product. How this reaction takes place? So generally here, in this case, first protonation takes place. Acid medium, protonation of this carbonyl oxygen takes place. Okay, protonation of that carbonyl oxygen. So CH3 double bond OH plus hydrogen. Okay, CH3C double bond OH plus. Now here it is converted into, okay, here by loss of proton. Okay, by loss of proton. So HCl and along with water, that means dilute acid. So in this case here, in next step, that water molecule remove the proton from this carbon, alpha carbon is removed. Okay, actually the water molecule ఎందుకు remove చేస్తుంది proton? Water molecule is a weak base, but that remove the proton from this carbon because this is a positively charged oxygen. Here this carbonyl oxygen becomes a positively charged oxygen by the protonation. That positively charged oxygen is a very strong electron with the drying group. Because of the strong electron with the drying group, this acidic nature of these hydrogens is enhanced. Okay, that's why protonation is required. Acidic nature of these hydrogens is increased by this strong minus side group. So here it is converted to CH2 double bond, here OH. The removal of the H plus here, this one becomes CH2 minus. So by transfer of these electrons to the oxygen, double bond. So this is the enol. This is enol, not enolate. But in case of the basic medium, enolate is the reaction intermediate, but in acidic medium, enol is the one of the intermediate product. Now, this enol also can be written like this here. By the resonance, CH2 minus double bond OH. Okay, double bond OH and carries a positive charge. So now here this nucleophile attacks on the another molecule. This nucleophile attacks on the other molecule, CH2 minus like this. So now here I am writing CH3. This one becomes a O minus hydrogen and here carbon-carbon bond formation, CH2 double bond O, H plus and H. Just carbon-carbon bond formation. So mechanism also is just okay chapter. Okay, O minus acts at the proton H plus. So here in this case, proton transfer takes place. Here OH and CH2 C double bond OH. Okay. So now this one further heating. Just here loss of water molecule takes place. So here CH3, CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. The same product. Okay. So acidic medium kuda possible aitadi aldol condensation. Basic medium and acidic medium. So that is about the aldol condensation. Okay. And one more similar reaction to the aldol condensation. Okay. Now the Claisen-Smith condensation. It is a similar reaction to the aldol condensation. Claisen-Smith condensation reaction. So the Claisen-Smith condensation reaction between aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde or ketone. Aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde or ketone. Here elimination of water readily takes place due to extended conjugation. So what is this reaction? So it is an aromatic aldehyde. So generally In aldol condensation, the carbonyl compounds with alpha hydrogen are involved. Now in this case, CH3C double bond O H. This one treating with NaOH. Okay. So then what is the product? So here benzene, CH double bond, CH, C double bond OH. This is known as a cinnamaldehyde. Cinnamaldehyde. It is extracted from the cinnamon, dalchin chakra. So here what is the reaction? What is the mechanism of this reaction? So generally here, between two carbonyl compounds, this one has only alpha hydrogen. This one has only alpha hydrogen. So here, this base remove the alpha hydrogen from this carbon. Okay. So here carbanion is generated. Now here, this carbanion attacks on the benzaldehyde molecule. Of course, this carbanion attacks on the benzaldehyde molecule. Okay, or attacks on the same aldehyde molecule, same estaldehyde molecule. Okay, two chances was there. Or suppose in this case, CH3, this one becomes a OH, H, CH2C double bond OH. Of course, this one on further heating, proton aldehyde is the product. Okay, already completed this. Now in this case, benzene, this one becomes a OH, and this carbon is bonding with CH2 and C double bond OH. This one on further heating, benzene, CH double bond CH. Here OH and a hydrogen removal. So C double bond OH. This is a major product actually. Why it is a major product? Because it is a highly stable. Here there is a conjugation between benzene pi bond and C double bond. But in this case only conjugation between two pi bonds. There conjugation, extended conjugation valla ikkada easy water molecule remove aitadi. Okay? That is one of the additional advantage of this Claisen-Smith reaction. Okay? So that's it. So generally in this case, the carbanion which attacks on the another carbonyl molecule generally known as donor. The carbanion. Okay? So this donate chestadi, electron donate chestadi to the positively charged carbon. So in case this acetaldehyde molecule is known as a donor. And which is attacked by the donor molecule, benzaldehyde. So it is acceptor. This one is the acceptor. Okay, in nomenclature ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి. Okay, the molecule which is attacked by the carbanion nucleophile, that is the acceptor. Carbanion దేని నుంచి అయితే carbanion ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసే molecule ఏమో donor. Okay, for suppose benzaldehyde and acetone. Benzaldehyde and acetone. Write the products. This is acceptor. This is donor. Okay. For suppose, write the product. For suppose given like this. In this molecule, which is the donor, which is the acceptor? Which is the donor, which is the acceptor? So actually it is a alpha beta unsaturated compound. Alpha beta unsaturated compound. As a result of the aldol condensation, which carbon is newly formed? This carbon bond is newly formed. Okay na? Alpha beta. So ఈ alpha beta మనం కట్ చేయాలి. సో ఈ alpha beta ని కట్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఏమైతుంది, ఇక్కడ CH3 and this one C double bond. ఇక్కడ కార్బన్ గ్రూప్ రాదు కదా, ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది కార్బన్. అంటే ఆల్ఫా పొజిషన్ లో కట్ చేసి ఏం చేస్తాం అంటే, ఓకే కట్ చేస్తే C double bond two hydrogens, C double bond O, two hydrogens, and next here double bond O. This one. Okay, two hydrogens and double. Beta position మీద ఆక్సిజన్ రాయడు, ఆల్ఫా కార్బన్ మీదేమో two hydrogens రాయడు. సో అప్పుడు ఇది ఏమైతుంది? This is acceptor, this is donor. Because why it is a donor? This one has a alpha hydrogen, generate the carbanion, attacks on this one. Okay, so
that is all pages with